News for people with hair damaged by overdrying with high-temperature dryers. Panasonic introduces a new series of dryers that are gentle to hair. All dryers in the new series are equipped with two healthy functions: quick dry nozzle and 50-degree healthy mode. Equipped with Panasonic's original quick dry nozzle, air is blown with true strong airflows from the center of the nozzle and weak airflows at the perimeter. The two vertical strong airflows disperse hair bundles so that hot air more effectively reaches hair. As a result, compared to conventional nozzles, air drawing speed is increased by approximately 20%. When hot air is blown onto hair for a long time, overdrying occurs, which is a cause of hair damage. The 50-degree healthy mode dries at a temperature that's gentle to hair, reducing hair damage due to heat. The top nozzles are also equipped with external negative ion blowers. External blowing of negative ions to protect the negative ions from heat. The top nozzles are equipped with new technology, hot-cool twin flow. It employs a structure in which cool air is blown along the outside of the hot air. Since cool air strikes on both sides of the hot air, if the dryer is moved while using, cool air strikes the hair immediately after the hot air, reducing the temperature increase of the hair. Hair is moist, and cuticles are also neat, making hair glossy. Quick dry nozzle, 50-degree healthy mode, external negative ion outlet, hot-cool twin flow. Dryers that are gentle to hair are born.